Hi, I'm Don, here to talk to you about the brand new Jayco Hummingbird travel trailer. I'm super excited to talk to you about this product because it has a ton of great features. Let me get started at the front. Right in the front here, you're going to notice this amazingly rounded aerodynamic profile front to the Hummingbird travel trailer. This unit is designed for people who want lightweight and easy to tow. Starts right up here in the front. Aerodynamic, great rounded profile, great for wind resistance going down the road. And you have the diamond plate front too. So diamond plate down at the bottom is going to protect you from road debris or anything as you're driving down the road, any rocks or anything like that are going to hit it. It's going to be protected because you have this diamond plate. As I'm going around this web video, what excites me the most is I'm going to show you features of travel trailers that are $30,000, $40,000, and this thing isn't even anywhere near that price. So what's amazing is it has all the great features, but yet it's super inexpensive and super lightweight and easy to tow. So I'm going to tell you about a bunch of other ones. So here we look at the frame. I want to talk about the integrated A-frame. So this has an aluminum Norco next-gen frame. What that means is it's an aluminum frame, and it has an integrated A-frame. So this main A-frame crosses right through this front cross member and ties right into the main cross beam of the Jayco travel trailer underneath. And the reason that's important is because most brands in this price point, in fact, most travel trailers, period, are going to tack weld the A-frame right to the bottom of this cross member. You don't get that with Jayco. What you get is the integrated A-frame technology, which goes through their entire travel trailer lineup. Most travel trailers don't offer anything like that, and that's one of the unique features about Jayco, which they even do on the Hummingbird. As we kind of pan down the side here, I want to point out a couple great features too. You got the G20 tinted safety glass on this. Most brands in this price point are going to be half the tinted rating that the Hummingbird has, so it's the G20 tinted safety glass. Notice how big the windows are too, so easy to open up, tons of airflow, gonna get great ventilation as you're using it out there with your family. Tons of storage too. One of the greatest things about Jayco is they're super smart with their storage. Massive amount of storage, and keep in mind as we're going through this web video, this is a small travel trailer. This is a lightweight. This is easy to tow, but yet you can bring everything you can imagine with you. Get a good shot of the side. Notice it's It's actually two-color fiberglass sidewall. So it's a color-infused fiberglass. It's not a cheap paint or anything like that. This is color-infused fiberglass. This is the same technology used on $80,000, $90,000, $100,000 fifth wheels. Color-infused fiberglass, two-tone. And look at the great graphics. I mean, we were pointing this out earlier. This is chrome. You get a chrome graphics package on here. There's a lot of other brands that try to be a great lightweight trailer, and really nobody's doing it well. And that's what Jayco really wanted to do. They wanted to come out with a high quality, lightweight, smaller travel trailer that people would love. Things like the R-Pod and other brands that are out there, they're just extremely cheap. They don't have anywhere near the features, and they're half the warranty too. Jayco's got a 2-year warranty bumper to bumper. Everybody else is one. Any brand that tries to do a lightweight travel trailer, they just start making it cheap. Jayco understands that lightweight doesn't have to mean cheap. So I'm going to keep showing you a couple other great features here. So you do have the powder-coated aluminum wheel wells. That's a big deal because a lot of brands in this price point actually will use ABS plastic. Radial tires too, nitrogen filled. So what's great about that is anyone who's ever had a vehicle where the tire pressure goes up and down, it kind of goes flat and that kind of thing, it doesn't happen with the nitrogen filled tires. And aluminum rims. Those rims are rims you'd see on like a Range Rover or a high-end Mercedes. Also going down the side here, notice this awning. What's amazing is these LED lights are multicolor. It's got this great remote control. Our next closest competitor, the R-Pod, doesn't even have an awning. It has a bag awning. Folks, a bag awning is something you'd have in your 1979 pop-up. This has a power awning with the LED light strip that changes colors, comes with it standard. The other brands just don't have that. So as we kind of continue to go around the rest of the exterior, Jeremy, I want to get a shot here of the marine-grade speakers. Folks, these are marine-grade speakers. What that means is that when you're in the sun or the rain or the water, you're still going to have that great high-quality speaker that's going to give you great sound over a long period of time. So as we continue to move to the back, this is where it gets really exciting. It gets crazy because I'm going to tell you things that folks you can go out there and see in other brands and compare it to the Jayco Hummingbird. You can go right online. You can go right now and look at other brands, including the R-Pod versus the Hummingbird. Folks, go look for a bumper on the R-Pod. Could you imagine not having a bumper? That's what you're going to find if you go look at the R-Pod. It's going to be more money, it's going to be half the warranty, and it's not going to have a bumper. So here we are, we got a 4-inch tubular bumper built right on here. And why this is so great is because when you have the bumper, you're able to put You're able to carry your spare tire. You're able to do a bunch of different things that with like the R-Pod, for example, without a bumper, all they do is have a little receiver in the back where it holds the spare tire, and you have to choose. Either you get a spare tire, safety for your family, or you get to have the bike rack, one or the other. So you get to have safety or fun. You can't have both with the R-Pod. With Jayco, you actually have an optional bike rack you can have, and of course the spare tire. You get them both with the R-Pod, you just don't get it. So that's a great feature, super important to point out. Notice the diamond plate too. Get a good shot of that, again, for that safety. I mean, Jayco is just awesome. They're smart. They think about your family. They think about the features that you're going to want to have, and safety and durability as well. LED taillights, big, big plus. LED taillights, all the other brands that are out there, you're just not going to see the features that we're talking about. Hot and cold exterior shower. I got 2 dogs, so they go with us everywhere. You know, if they get dirty or messy, super easy to hose them off. You can do that with dirty kids too, and I also have those. So grab the outdoor shower, cleans everything right off. So as we continue to move around the side too, again, get a great shot of these graphics. It's absolutely amazing. These are graphics that you're gonna see, again, on $80,000, $90,000 travel chillers or motorhomes, and here on the Hummingbird, it comes with it for this super amazing low price. We're really excited about this product. It's great, it's fun, and it actually comes with so much stuff that when you look at it and think, geez, this trailer is a lightweight travel chiller, how could it be such high quality? Well, it is, and that's Jayco, and that's why we are one of the top retailers in the world of this product. A couple other things just before we go inside, I almost forgot, has the power tongue jack in the front. Again, cheaper travel chillers aren't gonna have the power tongue jack. Power tongue jack with the LED light, that's great for hitching up. You have the propane tank with the tank cover. It also has the automatic regulator on it. So great, great features. This does come with the solar prep. This comes with a backup camera prep. This comes with it, all standard. Those are standard features. Backup camera prep. So if you think about that, backup camera on a lightweight travel chiller, go in there and talk to your R-Pod dealer and say, hey, do you have a backup camera? They're gonna laugh at you. They probably won't even know what it is, to be honest with you. So as we go towards kind of moving on the inside, again, this is awesome. The exterior grab handle, most travel chillers, $30,000 and up. You know, you gotta ask for this. With this travel chiller, way less price, comes with its standard. Aluminum entry step. I love this. The aluminum entry step, it just looks high end. You think of steps and people think, Jesus, step, what's the big deal? Well, you know what? Jayco, not only put the step on there, some brands don't even have it, but they put the step on there, it looks good. 26-inch wide door, but before I open the door, look at this, a window. Wow, what do you think? Wow, geez, a window in the door, everybody does that. R-Pod, can't get it. You ask for it, not gonna get it. Jayco, window in the door, big, big plus. So that's huge. You know, one of the greatest things about this unit, Jeremy, I want you to get a good shot right here on the door. This little yellow sticker. Let's see if you can get a good zoom in it. Look at this weight, 2,800 pounds. Folks, you could tow this with your bike. This is unbelievable. It's so light, super lightweight. You can tow this with almost any vehicle that's out there. Easy to tow. So you have all this fun packed into this great unit with a 2-year warranty, double anybody else's, Amish construction, 2,800 pounds. Totally amazing. As I step into the Jayco Hummingbird, I'm walking through the 26-inch wide door. Most brands in this price point are gonna have smaller doors, no window. That's crazy. Jayco, large door, big window. Awesome walking into my brand new Jayco Hummingbird. So I'm gonna point out a couple of the appliances. This is great. We have appliances in here that are like in $500,000 houses. Stainless steel microwave, 2-burner cooktop. You have a 3 cubic foot refrigerator with the freezer. That's a great feature to have. Again, it's Norcold too. This is made in the USA. Other brands that are out there, not so much. Super important to look for stuff made in the USA, I think, and that's why we love to sell Jayco. Huge U-shaped dinette here, which is great, but what's awesome about this is the quality of the cushions. High density foam cushions they're gonna use. Notice the vinyl backing. So it's super comfortable. You're also on top of a plywood construction, so you've got a plywood base here. Most brands in this price point gonna use that wafer board, that chip board. It's crazy, not with Jayco, you got the plywood construction. That's a big, big deal. Folks, don't let me forget to tell you, 2-year warranty, bumper to bumper. I know I said it a couple times, but I just gotta stress it. 2-year warranty. Other brands out there, more money, some, a lot more money. They have a 1-year warranty, we have 2. So double the warranty on the Jayco. Big, big feature. So we're gonna be competitively priced, in most cases less money, higher quality, double the warranty. Super excited about that. So as you kind of get a good shot in here, notice the upgraded window treatments. I mean, these are box valances. Again, you don't see these until you get into $40,000, $50,000 fifth wheels, but here on the Jayco Hummingbird, you're gonna get that. That's totally awesome. they put all their controls in one nice area, super easy to control. So you do have your power awning, again, don't forget with the LED strip as we showed you with the different color lights. So power awning in and out, your slide out room. I mean, we kind of didn't talk about the fact that this is a slide out. I know we saw it in the pictures, but folks, a slide out with 2,800 pounds, it's crazy. So slide out, 2,800 pounds, super light, that's a big deal. All that right here in your control center, that's a big plus. So notice that you have your switch here for your water heater. It is an automatic water heater, super easy. It's gonna work on direct spark ignition, so you can just press the button, it's gonna light up automatically, turn on your water pump. Also a great feature, it does have the black tank flush kit. It's gonna clean out your holding tanks. It comes with it, it has a little connection outside, actually cleans the black tank, sprays it around. Folks, Simmons mattress, this is a big deal. Jayco has a Simmons mattress they put inside of it. Again, the brands in this price point, you're gonna have a cheap little foam mattress. Not only do you have the Simmons mattress, the upgraded mattress, but look at this bedding. It's great bedding. Pillows, the thing's absolutely gorgeous. Lightweight travel, 2,800 pounds, lightweight travel chiller, and you get all these great features. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the bathroom here. This is amazing. You do have the foot flush toilet. Hard to get a shot in there, but you do have the foot flush toilet. You do have all the great features that you would like to see in a high-end travel chiller right here in the Jayco Hummingbird. Another cool thing, as I wrap up, I want to talk about this table. This is super cool. A lot of times people love to go in, go outside with their camper. This comes with this table that's going to go outside for you. It extends to be 4 foot wide, this picnic table. So that's a great feature. Also, too, it's super important to remember to tell you, this is laminated construction. It is laminated roof, floor, and sidewalls with aluminum caging through the whole thing. So it's durable, it's 2-year warranty bumper to bumper, it's Jayco, and you're with RV1 Superstore, so you're gonna get a great price. Give us a call, and we'll go through it all over for you again on the phone if you'd like, and we'll give you a great price. Thanks.